Welcome back to this video. Today's video I will show you on how to log into your WeChat account with just your voiceover. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat account. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my WeChat. Having opened up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your me icon right here, just like so. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. So it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on account security. So it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on voice print. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on create. And then what you need to do is to simply record your voiceover for your login to your WeChat account. It's as simple as that. So this is how to simply activate or create a voiceover login for your WeChat account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial on how best to use your WeChat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.